What happens to your body when you squat 100 times a day? Squat exercise benefits. Hey folks, welcome back to our channel, and welcome back to yet another enticing video. Squats! No leg workout is complete without them. If you have skinny and weak legs and can't face the embarrassment anymore, squatting even at home can do wonders, but there is a lot more than just the aesthetic outcomes. Let's find out the numerous health benefits from squat exercises and what happens to your body when you squat 100 times a day. Increases weight loss and muscle tone. Beginning with the muscle groups, squats target almost all muscles in your legs, including quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, lower back, butt, and even your abdominal muscles. This makes squats one of the only few exercises that target these many muscle groups. Although many people looking to lose weight may think of squats as only a muscle-building exercise meant for bodybuilders, in fact, doing squat exercises helps burn around 35 calories per minute. Weightlifting also burns more calories than cardio, therefore a workout combination of both these crucial exercises helps achieve the best result with weight loss. A balance of squats for your weightlifting together with cardio exercises helps tone and build lean muscle mass for your legs and also improves your muscle mass in other areas of the body. Doing squat exercises are a fantastic way to increase EPOC levels in your body, resulting in increased muscle breakdown for growth and hence more calories are burnt from the body. EPOC refers to excess post-oxygen consumption, which refers to the volume of oxygen required to bring the body back to normal after exercise. For ladies looking to increase the size of their glutes muscles, doing squats are just for you. Numerous females have reported more defined and toned butt after doing a squat challenge for an entire month. There are various variations for this exercise, such as wall squats, bodyweight squats, front squats, and back squats, so you can really get creative with the exercise and never get bored. Improves body strength and mobility. There are many more benefits to squat exercise as well. For those wanting to increase your flexibility for gymnastics or functional mobility, doing squats can help you too. As squat exercises involve the range of motion of your joints and muscles, you enhance your mobility and lower back strength as well. With age, mobility becomes one of the most hindering things you might face. In this scenario, you need to have strong legs to be able to maneuver around freely. That's where squats come in. Following a frequent routine with various squat workouts can retain the balance and strength of your legs as you age. However, that does not mean that you should do squats as the only exercise, and your routine should change with time. Firstly, you should introduce different workouts targeting different muscle groups from your triceps to your legs. Secondly, you should spread your workouts across different days each week and stick with the routine. Don't try to overexhaust your body, as you can end up straining your body and setting yourself back for weeks. Thirdly, during leg days each week, you shouldn't carry out the same exercise routines as usual. Switch up different leg workout variations and reps after a period of time to avoid the body getting used to the same exercise and causing a plateau in your results. For example, include exercises other than squats as well, such as lunges and plank leg raises, etc. Improve joint health and digestive system. While many exercises can damage your joints and ligaments if not done correctly, squats can actually strengthen those connective tissues and help prevent possible injuries. However, that does not mean that you can do squats without proper body form and technique, as this can do more damage than good to your body. We will get onto the proper techniques of performing a deep squat later on, so hang around till the end. Even though you may not notice the benefits or feel any change at all, you will definitely experience the benefits of squat exercises over an extended period of time. From sitting down to standing up, lifting objects and moving around, you will not physically feel weaker than others who do not frequently squat as an exercise, making your body feel the youngest around your peers. If that wasn't enough, by doing deep squat exercises, you improve digestion and blood flow in your body, making your gut and intestines work better with smoother peristalsis and bowel movements. Squat movements also improve the blood flow of your body and increase the amount of oxygen and nutrients transported to your muscles for energy. Correct poor postures. Think that's not enough to satisfy you? Well, there are more benefits that squat exercises have to offer. If you are one of those people who are insecure about their slouch posture and want to walk in the public with confidence, doing squats can help correct poor postures. Since squatting exercises engage your lower body muscles and build stability for a well-supported spine, this helps to improve better posture to stand straight up and fix slouching. How to do a squat correctly? So now that you know the benefits to your body from squat exercises, how do you perform them correctly? As with any other exercise, squats should be carried out with precaution, the right form technique, and the right dietary requirements. While that may seem an odd question because, of course, who doesn't know how to squat? You may be surprised how some people are still squatting incorrectly, which can result in prolonged injuries on your lower back, hips, and knees. So let's look into the exercise in detail. Stand up with your feet shoulder width apart. With hands out, your thighs and chest protruded out. Bend down with pressure on your heels in a sitting position. Remember to keep your knees aligned with your toes, and don't let your knees cave in. Note you should always keep your heels on the floor as you squat. Then hold for a few seconds before using your heels to push back up. Perform this movement across multiple repetitions. Like the title of the video says, instead of doing 100 squats in one go, doing 4 sets of 25 reps or 5 sets of 20 reps will be a much better routine with minimal rest break in between. As an added reminder, focusing only on squat exercise is not enough. You should work on your diet as well by increasing protein intake so that your body gets the necessary nutrients needed to repair torn muscles and build them back stronger. For precautionary measures, keep your back straight so that you don't strain it. Furthermore, performing deep squatting is not recommended for people with knee pain, since the most pressure gets exerted on the knees and on your heels. However, when performed correctly, squats are a great exercise to engage different core muscle groups around the body to build strength, balance, and mobility. 100 Squats Daily Challenge. Onto the 100 Squats a Day Challenge. According to numerous people who tried it, the benefits of squats for physical mobility have been positive. A visible improvement around leg and glute muscles can be seen with enhanced strength on core muscle groups, enabling improvements on athletic performance, body posture, flexibility, and balance, while increasing metabolism for weight loss. So what do you say? Will you try the 100 Squats a Day Challenge? Let's get it going! Let's all follow a squat exercise routine for the next 15 to 30 days to start seeing results. If you have already done so, let us know about your experience in the comments down below so that others can get motivated to experience the benefits of squats as well. For more guides and tips on different healthy lifestyle habits to follow, find out more information in the description. If you enjoy this video, let us know by clicking the like button and subscribe to the channel for more regular content.